Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao, working as a mathematics lecturer for 21 years. So two classes, we learn about continuity and differentiability. All the basics to till the KCET problems, 2024 KCET problems we did in last two classes, right? Now in this class, we are going to discuss about methods of differentiation. Differentiation. You know that the weightage of this chapter is high in NCERT. So most of you, I hope you already learned this differentiation chapter. We can divide this differentiation chapter into five parts. Let's see what are those five parts. See, first one is basic differentiation. What is this basic differentiation? In this basic differentiation, we will learn all derivative formulas, derivatives of algebraic functions, derivatives of trigonometric functions, derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions, and basic rules, product rule, quotient rule, all those things we will learn in this basic differentiation. After that, very, very important is chain rule differentiation. See, if you already did this differentiation chapter, you know how important this chain rule differentiation is. In case if you don't know chain rule differentiation, then whatever the class will do today, you may feel bit difficult, right? So you must be good in chain rule differentiation. This is also known as derivative of composite function. Okay. Now, third one, differentiation. Differentiation using trigonometry formulas. That means they'll give some trigonometric functions, they'll ask you to derivate, differentiate. What we do, we'll simplify that function by using trigonometry formulas and then we'll differentiate. That type of problems are also there, especially inverse trigonometric functions. For example, they ask a question like this: dy dx of sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square is there. Uh, to simplify this, what we'll do, we'll take x equal to tan theta and we'll use trigonometry formulas. We'll simplify this and then we'll differentiate, right? So differentiation using trigonometry formulas. And fourth one is methods of differentiation or types of differentiation. This is very, very important. What is this types of differentiation? In these types of differentiation, total four types are there. Total four types are there. What is the first type? Implicit differentiation. For this, one shortcut is also there that we'll discuss. Implicit differentiation. And the second one is logarithmic differentiation. We'll apply logarithm on both sides and then we'll differentiate. Next, parametric differentiation. Parametric differentiation. Next, derivative of one function with respect to another function. These four types of differentiation is there, right? And then at last, we have the second order derivative problems. You know that in NCERT, they'll give one 5 mark question from this second order derivative. So complete chapter, we can divide into these five types, right? So if you must be good in this part, first of all, basic differentiation and chain rule differentiation. If you are good in this, then you can understand what is happening in types of differentiation, right? So if you already done NCERT differentiation chapter, you may get an idea. See, this is the clear what in complete differentiation you learn these things only, right? So first we'll discuss some basic differentiation and chain rule differentiation, one or two problems I'll explain. And then we'll do previous year KCET questions based on this, right? Okay. I'll try to do these problems model wise so that you won't feel any difficulty. First, derivative formulas. It is important. You must be good in derivative formulas. You can try along with me, right? So, what is the derivative of x power n? Yes, what is derivative of x power n? Very frequently we'll use no? Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Derivative of x power n. N into x power n minus 1. How we use this? For example, derivative of x power 5. You want to calculate derivative of x power 5. What is derivative of x power 5? Use this formula. 5 into x power 5 minus 1. Derivative of x power 5. Right? Here, you see this one, this is interesting one. Actually, this is 1 by x power n I written here, not 1 by x power n. This is nothing but x power minus n. 1 by x power n can be written like this, and then we use the same formula. But however, we have a formula for this. Derivative of 1 divided by x power n is minus n divided by x power n plus 1. If you know this, directly you can write the answers. For example, you see here, derivative of 1 by x is there. Na? Here, x power 1 will be there. Derivative of 1 by x is what? Apply here. Minus. In place of n, what is there? 1 is there. Divided by x power 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Derivative of 1 by x is what? Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Not only that, if you can remember this formula, you can avoid that simplification. For example, you need to calculate derivative of 1 divided by x power 10. What is the derivative of this? Directly you can write. Actually, what is the procedure you will do? D by dx of x power minus 10 you will write, and then we'll apply this formula. Instead of that, if you know this formula, directly you can write it. What is that? Minus 10 divided by x power 10 plus 1. Minus 10 divided by x power 11. So, if you know this formula, it's very good. Derivative of 1 divided by x power n is what? It is a minus n divided by x power n plus 1. Okay. What is derivative of root x? See, these things we use very frequently. You must be familiar with these things. What is derivative of root x? Derivative of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x. Derivative of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x, right? Derivative of 1 by x, we use this very frequently. That's why written here. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, right? Derivative of x, derivative of x is 1. Yeah, I forgot to write one formula here. That is derivative of constant. We use very frequently now. What is derivative of constant? Derivative of constant is 0, right? Derivative of constant is 0. Derivative of e power x, easiest formula in this derivatives. In these derivatives, any easiest formula is there, means that is this only. Derivative of e power x is what? Derivative of e power x is e power x. Derivative of a power x is what? Derivative of a power x is a power x into log a base c. Derivative of a power x is a power x into log a base c. Derivative of log x base c. See, derivative of log x base c is 1 by x. These are the derivatives of algebraic functions. You see, all are algebraic functions, derivatives of algebraic functions, right? These are all derivatives of algebraic functions. Good. Now, derivatives of trigonometric functions. After algebraic functions, derivatives of trigonometric functions. Let's see what formulas we have. 6 trigonometry formulas. I hope you are all familiar with these formulas, right? Derivative of sin x. Yes, what is derivative of sin x? Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is what? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Derivative of secant x. Derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x, right? Derivative of cosecant x. Here you need to know one thing. Whenever we write derivative of a function which starts with c, then its answer starts with minus. The derivative of cos x. Minus is there here. So derivative of cosecant x. Derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x. Derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x. Derivative of cot x. This is also starts with c. Na? Derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So these are the derivatives of 6 trigonometric functions. You must be good in these formulas. Otherwise, without learning the formulas, and one more thing, in this differentiation chapter, trigonometry formulas also, you write list of all trigonometry formulas. You write list of all derivative formulas. Keep it at one place. Be good in that. Otherwise, without learning properly trigonometry formulas, without knowing derivative formulas, if you try to do KCET objective questions, it's a meaningless, right? So first learn formulas, trigonometry formulas, be good in NCERT textbook, then try objective questions, right? Okay. So these are the derivatives of trigonometric functions. Next, see this derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. Derivative of sine inverse x. What is derivative of sine inverse x? Derivative of sine inverse x is 1 divided by root over 1 minus x square. Derivative of sine inverse x. If you learn derivative of sine inverse x, cos inverse x you can write, right? How? Both look similar. What is the only difference? Only the difference is sign. Derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 divided by root over 1 minus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x. What is derivative of tan inverse x? Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. What is derivative of cot inverse x? Derivative of cot inverse x is minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. Derivative of secant inverse x. And here also you observe whenever derivative of inverse trigonometric function starts, its answer starts with minus. Minus 1 divided by, minus 1 divided by. Derivative of secant inverse x, 1 divided by x into root over x square minus 1. Right? Derivative of cosecant inverse x. Derivative of cosecant inverse x, it starts with c. So minus 1 divided by x into root over x square minus 1. These are the derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. You must be good in these things, right? Now, we will see next basic rules. What are the basic rules? Basic rules. These are the basic rules of differentiation. See, derivative of Ku. Derivative of Ku is what? K into derivative of U. That means, suppose while solving the problem, somewhere you saw like this, derivative of 2 sin x is there. Here 2 is the constant and sin x is the function. This is like Ku. K is constant, right? We can take constant outside, right? Take this constant outside, 2 into d by dx of sin x. We can write like this. Further, what we do, we can differentiate. 2 into derivative of sin x is what? Derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay. Now, derivative of u plus v, like sin x plus cos x, sum of two functions is given. You need to differentiate. For that, it is nothing but derivative of u plus derivative of v. Derivative of u plus derivative of v. Suppose here minus is there, then we'll write minus here. Derivative of u minus derivative of v. You see here, product rule. Derivative of uv is what? U into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Product rule, right? You know these things, right? Quotient rule, just trying to recall quickly. Quotient rule. V into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v divided by v square, right? This is quotient rule. So these are the basic formulas. Whatever I written now, you must be good in these formulas to do the problems of differentiation chapter, right? Okay. Now, first we'll discuss a few shortcuts in this differentiation chapter. After the shortcuts, we'll start previous year KCET questions. See, actually, how to solve this problem? See here, dy dx of ax plus b divided by cx plus d. This is a rational function. Rational function ax plus b divided by cx plus d. Whenever you see given function is like this, then its answer is like this: ad minus bc divided by denominator whole square. Don't memorize all the things. Very simple. See here, a b c d, four things are there na. Ad minus bc, AD minus BC divided by CX plus D whole square. Directly you can do this, right? Actual procedure is what? Actual procedure, we'll use quotient rule. V into derivative of U minus U into derivative of V divided by V square we'll write. No need of all those things. In KCET, you need to save the time. Na? So for that, directly you can write AD minus BC. Look at this AD, 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is what? 10 minus BC, 3 into 3, 9 divided by what is there in the denominator? That whole square, 3x plus 5 whole square. So what is this 10 minus 9? 1. 1 divided by, this answer is 1 divided by 3x plus 5 whole square. You can write it very easily, right? Suppose a question is given like this, dy dx of x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 is given. They given like this. What is the derivative of this? AD. What is AD here? 1 is there. Here D is what? D is minus 1. Compare with this. D is minus 1. 1 into minus 1 is what? Minus 1 minus BC. 1 into 1. 1 divided by denominator whole square. X minus 1 whole square. So that is what? Minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole square. You can try directly with quotient rule. Same answer you will get. Right? This is the one shortcut you learn in this differentiation chapter. What the points to remember? Linear by linear, then AD minus BC divided by denominator whole square. Okay, right. This is also similar to last one, but here, uh, you see here, in that last shortcut here, x is there, right? In this place, x is there. Ax plus b divided by cx plus d. In place of x, if any other trigonometric function is there, like sin x, e power x, but same function. Here, what function is there? Here also same function. If that is there, then its answer is similar. Let's see, AD minus BC divided by denominator whole square. Denominator whole square into f dash of x. Into f dash of x. See, I'll try to apply this for the last slide. What we did this now. Ax plus b divided by cx plus d. You just apply this shortcut in place of f of x, x is there. You apply this, what you will get? AD minus BC divided by denominator whole square, cx plus d whole square into derivative of x. Derivative of x is what? Derivative of x is 1. Right? Same, we got AD minus BC divided by cx plus d whole square. So, what is the shortcut here? This two almost similar. This mostly linear by linear. Here, any function is there, then it works, right? So what is this actually? AD minus BC. Look at this, AD minus BC. 2 into 5, 10. 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 is what? 1 divided by denominator whole square. 3 sin x plus 5 whole square into f dash of x. What is f of x here? F of x is sin x, right? What is f dash of x? Derivative of sin x is what? Derivative of sin x is cos x, right? So cos x divided by 3 sin x plus 5 whole square, right? So not only this sin x, suppose here the problem is like this. Suppose the problem is like this, dy dx of 2 e power x minus 1 divided by 3 e power x plus 1 is there. We are asking to differentiate this. Regular method is what? Regular method is quotient rule, right? Regular method is quotient rule. What we do here, but here, see here, this is into this form, na? AD, that is 2 into 1 minus BC, 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3 divided by denominator whole square, 3 into e power x plus 1 whole square into derivative of e power x. See here, f of x is e power x. Derivative of e power x is e power x. This minus of minus is plus, right? So what this will become? This is 5 into e power x divided by 3 into e power x plus 1 whole square. You can write this answer directly, right? Okay. This is the one shortcut. Next, one more shortcut we'll see in this. We learned two shortcuts till now. See, this is the third shortcut in this differentiation. Many shortcuts are there, but these are the things we use frequently. You observe this, y equal to square root of f of x plus square root of f of x plus square root of f of x plus, like that up to infinity it is there. If the given problem is like this, in previous year KCET papers also same thing is there. If the problem is like this, actually, what is a regular method to solve? We consider this whole thing as y. No, no, already given it as y na. So what this will become? Y equal to root over f of x plus, see, whatever this part is there, that part is nothing but y. Okay. Now we square this on both sides and then we'll differentiate. Then you will get this one. But however, no need of that regular procedure. We are not deriving here. We are just learning the shortcut. So what is the shortcut? What is derivative of this function? Derivative of this function is f dash of x divided by f dash of x divided by 2y minus 1. F dash of x divided by 2y minus 1. Y is nothing but given function only. 2y minus 1. Suppose you see the question is given like this. Y equal to root x plus root. Don't terrify by seeing this problem. For this answer is very easy. Dy by dx is what? F dash of x. Derivative of x is what? 1 divided by 2y minus 1. Right? Dy by dx is 1 divided by 2y minus 1. And similarly, you see this dy, same e power x plus e power x. In place of f of x, what is there here? E power x is there. What is derivative of this? Dy by dx equal to, yes, answer. What is the derivative of this? F dash of x. What is f of x in this problem? E power x. Derivative of e power x? E power x divided by 2y minus 1. Right? So we'll do PYQs also in this class. Same problem is given. I think this type problem. Same problem is given. For this, what is the answer? 1 divided by 2y minus 1. Okay. Right. And this is a logarithmic differentiation shortcut. By mistake also, don't use these shortcuts in board exam, right? These are exclusively for objective test. You can use these things in JE exam or CET exam or any other competitive exam. Look at this, f of x power g of x. When given function is of this form, f of x power g of x, like x power x, look at this, x power x power sin x power cos x. In all those cases, we can write its answer directly. So what is this? Its answer is, you need to memorize this. I'll also try to memorize, but I'll forget. For that, you need to practice these things, right? It's simple only, with little bit of practice is needed. See, f of x power g of x, same function. What is there here? As it is, f of x power g of x. Start with g of x. G of x into f dash of x by f of x. Right? This is f of x. F dash of x by f of x plus logarithm of f of x into g dash of x. With little bit of practice, you can memorize this, but use this shortcut only in objective test. Okay, derivative of x power x. Here, what is f of x? F of x is x. What is g of x? G of x is also x. Actual method is what? Actual method is like this. Y equal to, we take x power x as y. We'll apply logarithm on both sides. Log y equal to logarithm of x power x and then log y equal to x into log x. We'll differentiate with respect to x on both sides and then we'll get dy by dx. That is the regular procedure you already learned in NCERT, right? So here, x power x, directly in one line you will get the answer. G of x, f of x is also x, g of x is also x, g of x, x into f dash of x. F of x is what? This x. F dash of x, derivative of x is 1 divided by f of x. F of x is x plus logarithm of f of x. What is f of x? F of x is x into g dash of x, derivative of x, 1. You see, this x will get cancelled. What you got answer here? X power x into 1 plus log x base e. This is derivative of x power x. So derivative of x power x is x power x into 1 plus log x base e. Actually, we use it as a formula in objective. Whenever derivative of x power x comes, we don't derive like this directly, x power x into 1 plus log x base c. How you memorize all trigonometry formulas? In the same way, derivative of x power x into 1 plus log x base c. We'll memorize it like a formula while doing objective, right? Okay. Derivative of x power sin x. Regular method, you know. What is the regular method? What is the regular method? Regular method is logarithmic differentiation. You take x power sin x as y, apply logarithm on both sides, and further you differentiate. But here, what way you will do this? F of x power g of x formula. F of x power g of x. This is f of x, right? G of x. This is g of x. F of x power g of x. What is the formula shortcut? X power x power x power sin x. F of x, same as it is function you write. It starts with g of x. G of x is what? Sin x into f dash of x by f of x. This is f of x. F dash of x, derivative of x is what? 1. 1 divided by f of x is x. Okay. Plus logarithm of f of x. What is f of x here? F of x is x. Logarithm of x into g dash of x. This is f of x. This is g of x. G dash of x. Derivative of sin x is what? Derivative of sin x is cos x. You see, actually, when you did this in NCERT, this is very lengthy. But you see, in single line, in one step, we got the answer, right? So this is the shortcut to find the derivative of this type of functions, f of x power g of x, right? If you know this shortcut, you can do the problems like x power x, x power sin x power cos x, x power tan x power sin x. Whenever given function is of this form, this shortcut is very useful. Okay, right? So these things already over. All right. Okay. Now, you see this question. We one more shortcut is also there related to implicit function that we'll discuss in the next class. We'll do few problems today. See, this is the question given in 2015 KCET exam. In 2015, this question is given. What is this question? Y equal to logarithm of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Then dy by dx equal to what? Actually, you may think that we do this problem by chain rule differentiation, by imagining this as x, but that is bit lengthy procedure. What I'll do here, I'll apply logarithm formula. You know, in logarithm chapter, this formula is there. Logarithm of m by n. Logarithm of m by n formula is what? Log m minus log n, right? So here, this is like logarithm of m by n. So what I'll write this as logarithm of 1 minus x square minus logarithm of 1 plus x square. So I simplified given function like this. What you need to find? You need to find dy by dx. Okay. So dy by dx. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Dy by dx equal to, see, how to differentiate this? You must know chain rule differentiation to differentiate this. Imagine this as x. Imagine this as x. It looks like log x. Derivative of log x, 1 by x. Afterwards, which one you imagined as x, you will differentiate it. Derivative of 1 minus x square. Derivative of 1 is 0 minus derivative of x square is 2x. 0 minus 2x is what? Minus 2x. So this will become minus 2x minus, again, use chain rule differentiation. Derivative of this is what? 1 divided by 1 plus x square into derivative of 1 plus x square. Derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of x square is 2x. 0 plus 2x is 2x. So in the numerator, you will get 2x. Now you simplify this. 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square. 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square is what? It is 1 minus x power 4. 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square is 1 minus x power 4. Now you simplify this numerator part. 2x into 1 plus x square minus 2x into 1 minus x square. Okay. Further, if you simplify this, what you will get? Minus 2x plus, not plus, minus 2x minus 2x cube minus 2x. Look at this, minus of minus plus, plus 2x cube plus 2x cube divided by 1 minus x power 4. You can see here this minus 2x power 3 plus 2x power 3 will get cancelled. Minus 2x is what? Minus 2x is minus 4x divided by 1 minus x power 4. See here, options. Which option is correct option? Minus 4x divided by 1 minus x power 4. So for this, third option is the right option. Minus 4x divided by 1 minus x power 4. Right? Okay. See, this is the question given in 2018 KCET exam. What they are given, f of x is given. Okay, what is f of x? F of x, they given it as x minus 1 by x. Okay, what you need to calculate? F dash of minus 1. See, whenever they ask calculate f dash of 0, f dash of 2, something like that, first you calculate f dash of x. First you calculate f dash of x. Here I'll calculate f dash of x, right? Derivative of x, 1. Derivative of 1 by x. You learn this formula, you learned it as a formula, and this formula is also there. Derivative of 1 divided by x power n is what? Minus n divided by x power n plus 1, right? So derivative of 1 by x is what? Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 divided by x square, right? So this equal to 1 minus of minus plus 1 divided by x square. This is f dash of x. What they are asking in the question? They are asking f dash of minus 1. F dash of minus 1. Okay. In place of x here, what is there? Minus 1 is there. So here in this, wherever x is there you write minus 1. In place of x, you write minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is what? 1. So 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is 2. So f dash of minus 1 is what? F dash of minus 1 is 2. So what is the right option for this? Option B. Okay. You see, this is the question given in 2017, right? They given a function like this, y equal to tan inverse of sin x plus cos x divided by cos x minus sin x, then find dy by dx. Here you need to know these formulas. What formulas? Tan pi by 4 plus x, tan pi by 4 minus x. Because they are asking this type of things. Tan pi by 4 plus x is what? This is like tan a plus b, tan x plus y, right? Tan x plus y formula is what? Tan x, that is tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1 plus tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. This is the formula, right? I just applied tan x plus y formula. Okay. Now further, in place of tan x, you can write sin x by cos x. Right? Here I'll write here. This equal to 1 plus tan x can be written as sin x by cos x. Okay. And this tan x can be written as 1 minus tan x can be written as sin x by cos x. Okay. Simplify, what you will get? Cos x plus sin x divided by cos x whole divided by cos x minus sin x divided by cos x. You say this cos x will get cancelled. What you got here? Sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x divided by cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x. Right? So tan pi by 4 plus x formula is cos x plus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x. Right? So here, you see here sin x plus cos x divided by cos x minus sin x is there. Na? What this can be written as, I'll write here, y equal to tan inverse of whatever they given here, that can be written as tan pi by 4 plus x. This can be written as tan pi by 4 plus x. Okay, right. Now you know inverse trigonometric functions chapter, you learn this formula, tan inverse of tan theta. What is tan inverse of tan theta? Tan inverse of tan theta is theta, right? This is the formula, right? So here tan inverse of tan pi by 4 plus x. What this will become? This will become pi by 4 plus x. See, actually, I just simplified the given function, not yet done any differentiation. Look here, dy by dx. Now you differentiate both sides. Derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Pi by 4 is constant. Derivative of constant is 0. Plus derivative of x is 1. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx equal to 1. Right? Dy by dx equal to 1. So what they are asking, dy by dx. So what is the right option? Fourth option is the correct option for this problem, right? Next, see this question. This is the question given in 2021 CET exam, right? KCET exam. Look at this. What they given? Y equal to cos x square whole square. Cos x square whole square. Then dy by dx equal to what? Dy by dx equal to what? Okay. So first we'll take the given function. Given function is what? Y equal to cos of x square whole square. Okay. To differentiate this, we use a chain rule differentiation. Here, what I'll do, I'll imagine this part as x. Imagine this part as x. Then it looks like x square. Derivative of x square is what? Derivative of x square is 2x. So here, this is 2 into cos of x square into which one you imagined as x, you need to differentiate. You need to differentiate this. Derivative of cos of x square. I'll write here. No need to write all the steps, but to understand the things easily, I'm writing all the steps here. You imagine this as x, derivative of x square is 2x into derivative of this part, cos of x square. Okay. This equal to 2 into cos of x square. Now you need to differentiate this. Observe here, you imagine this as x, then it looks like cos x. Derivative of cos x is what? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Minus sin x square into which one you imagined as x, you need to differentiate. Derivative of x square, derivative of d by dx of x square, but I'll write directly here. Derivative of x square is 2x. Okay. So if I simplify this, here minus is there. No? First I'll write minus here. 2 into sine of x square cos of x square into 2x. You observe only this part. What idea you are getting by seeing this? You know this formula. What formula? Sine 2x. What is sine 2x formula? Sine 2x formula is 2 sine x into cos x. Sine 2x formula is 2 sine x into cos x. Here, you see 2 sine x into cos x. In place of x here, what is there? In this, here x is there. X, x. Here, x square is there. So, 2 sine x square into cos x square is what? You see, in place of x, I'll write x square. Sine 2 into x square equal to 2 sine x square into cos x square. So 2 sine x square into cos x square is nothing but sine 2x square. So this equal to minus. Here 2x is there, na? This 2x I'll write in the beginning into what is this? This is sine 2x square. Look at that, right? So what we got answer? Minus 2x into sine 2x square. Observe the options. Which option is correct option? Observe the options. So here minus 2x. Yes, here minus 2x is there. Sine 2x square. Yes, sine 2x square. So option C is the correct option for this problem, right? See, these are known as functional equations. They'll give a question like this. A function which is satisfying the condition f of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y. What is the function satisfying that condition? We'll do one PYQ also related to this. In exam, they'll ask, find a function which is satisfying this condition. You need to know that the function satisfying this equation is f of x equal to k power x or a power x. K is some constant. F of x equal to a power x or k power x. We need to find a from that actually, right? So here you see, I'll write here f of x equal to, in case f of x equal to a power x. How this function satisfies this condition? F of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y, right? F of x plus y. What is f of x plus y? Here, in place of x here, what is there? X plus y is there. So what is f of x plus y? Here, where x is there, that you write x plus y. What is f of x plus y? A power x plus y, right? So this is like a power m plus n. A power m plus n formula, a power m into a power n. So this can be written as a power x into a power y. What is a power x? A power x is f of x, right? What is a power y? You see, what is f of y? F of y is a power y. F of z is a power z. So a power y is what? A power y is f of y. So you can observe here what we got. We got that f of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y. What is the function satisfying this condition? What is the function satisfying this condition? F of x equal to a power x. So you must know that the function which satisfies the equation f of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y is a power x or k power x, right? Similarly, this also we use frequently. F of x plus y equal to f of x plus f of y. You can check this one. I am not checking here. What is the function satisfying this condition? F of x plus y equal to f of x plus f of y. That function is kx. We can take it as kx or we can take it as mx. It's up to your choice, right? This also satisfies, k is some constant here, m is also some constant. This function satisfies this condition. You can check easily like this, right? Okay. Now, next, third one, f of x plus y equal to f of x plus f of y. Then what is the function? The function is k into log x base a, right? You need to know all these things, right? And what is the function satisfying this condition? F of x plus f of 1 by x equal to f of x into f of 1 by x. What is the function satisfying this condition? That is f of x equal to 1 plus or minus x power n. We don't use this much frequently, but there is a function. See, this is the function satisfies this equation. In KCT, mostly we use 1, 2, 3, right? These three we use bit frequently. In KCT examination, questions are coming based on these three. Now we'll see one problem related to this, which is asked in KCT. So this is a 2024. That means last year, your seniors got this question. See, this is the question in given KCT exam 2024. what they are saying, how they'll ask the question. You see, the function satisfying this equation. Which equation? f of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y. The function satisfying this equation, and they given that f of 0 is not equal to 0. Okay. F of 5 is given. F of 5 is 3. Okay. Then what is this? F dash of 0. F dash of 0. F dash of 0 is 2. This information already given in the question. We need to calculate f dash of 5. Okay. So first thing, what is the function satisfying this condition? F of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y. In last slide, I derived this. What function satisfies this condition? F of x equal to a power x. This is the function satisfying this condition. What you want to find f dash of 5. Okay, I'll calculate here only. F dash of x I'll calculate. Before calculating f dash of 5, I'll calculate f dash of x. We have direct formula. Derivative of a power x is what? A power x into log a base c. Actually, what to calculate? F dash of 5. F dash of 5. Okay. See here, in place of x, here 5 is there. In this also, where x is there, there you can write 5. So what is this? A power 5 into log a base c. Actually, this is f dash of 5. A power 5 into log a base c. You observe here, that option is not there. That means here some other data is also given. Na? By using this data, you need to find a value, right? So here they given f of 5 is 3. What is f of x? F of x is a power x. This is the function satisfying this condition. Na? F of x equal to a power x. F of 5 is what? F of 5 is a power 5. A power 5 is what? A power 5 is 3, right? So here we got a power 5 value. Here we need a power 5. Look at this. A power 5 value is 3. Okay. And in place of a power 5, if I write 3, this is 3 log a base c, but still we didn't get the answer. So what I'll do, here one more information is there. Look at this. F dash of 0. Come to this. Here f dash of x is there. Na? F dash of 0. F dash of 0 is what? In place of x, you write 0. In this, wherever x is there, there you write 0. A power 0. A power 0 is 1 into log a base c. This f dash of 0 already given in the question, right? F dash of 0 is 2. From this, what you will get? You will get that log a base c is 2, right? So, actually, f dash of 5 is this. In this, a is the unknown thing. By using these two informations, I got both the values, right? So here what I'll do now, a power 5. What is a power 5? A power 5 is 3 into log a base c is what? Log a base c is, so 3 into 2, 6. So they are asking f dash of 5. F dash of 5 is 6. So which option is the right option? So this first option is the right option, right? I hope you understand this. You see this question, this is the question given in KCET exam 2021. For a constant a, they are saying that a is constant. Then derivative of this whole expression is what? Right? Okay. So derivative of x power x plus x power a plus a power x plus a power a. What is the derivative of this function? See, this is nothing but how you will differentiate this. We'll differentiate each and every term, right? This is d by dx of x power x plus d by d. No need of writing all these steps. Just to understand you easily, I am writing all the things. Directly, you can write the answer. Plus d by dx of a power x plus d by dx of a power a. Okay. Now, see, derivative of x power x. In the beginning of today's class, we discussed this derivative of x power x. By using logarithms, we derived this. But actually, I said that we can memorize this formula. We can take it as a formula because we use it very frequently, right? Derivative of x power x is what? Derivative of x power x is x power x into 1 plus log x base e plus derivative of x power a. This is like derivative of x power n. This is like derivative of x power n. What is derivative of x power n? Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1, right? So here in place of n, here a is there. What is it? A into x power a minus 1. Okay. Plus derivative of a power x. What is derivative of a power x? Derivative of a power x is a power x into log a base e plus a power a. A is some fixed number, na? A power a is also constant. As they given in the question only, they given a is constant. Constant power constant is what? It's a constant. So this whole thing is a constant. Derivative of constant is what? 0. So if you observe the right option, what is the right option? X power x into 1 plus log x base e is there in everywhere, right? Okay. A into x power a minus 1 is there here. A into plus a power x into log a base c. So you can observe here, whatever answer we got, that is present here. X power x into 1 plus log x plus a into x power a minus 1 plus a power x into log a base c. So what is the right option? Option B is the correct option. I hope you are understanding, right? Okay. You see, this is the question given in 2023. F of x, g of x are two functions. G of x is given like this. This is the function g of x. Okay. F circle g of x. F circle g of x is x cube minus 1 by x cube. Then f dash of x is what? Here, it is a bit tricky problem. Many students in that particular year, they feel it's bit difficult, especially those who are writing prepared for KCET. It is bit, it's here. Simple logic is there in this. What is that? F circle g of x, right? F circle g of x can be written as f of g of x, composite function, f of g of x, correct? What is g of x in the question only given? What is g of x? G of x, they given it as x minus 1 by x. Okay, right? Now, what we got here? F of x minus 1 by x. Actually, f circle g of x is this. They given this f circle g of x. What is f circle g of x? X cube minus 1 by x cube. Instead of this is given it as x cube minus 1 by x cube. Instead of writing here, I'll write here x cube minus 1 by x cube. I hope you understand this, right? So here x cube minus 1 by x cube, I want to write this in terms of x minus 1 by x. This I want to write in terms of x minus 1 by x. So for that, you need to know this formula. A cube minus b cube formula is what? A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, right? So here, x cube minus 1 by x cube is there, na? X cube minus 1 by x. This can be written as 1 by x whole cube, right? X cube minus 1 by x whole cube is what? A minus b. X minus 1 by x into, yes, a square. A is x, x square plus ab. AB is what? Multiply these to what you will get? 1. X into 1 by x is 1 plus b square. B square is 1 by x square. Here, this x cube minus 1 by x cube, we can write like this. But I want this complete equation in terms of x minus 1 by x. I want this complete equation. Here x minus 1 by x is there. Here also I want x minus 1 by x. You see here x minus 1 by x whole square. Look at this, x minus 1 by x whole square. Expand this. A minus b whole square formula. Expand this. X square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Right? A square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2 into x into 1 by x. X will get cancelled. Here x square plus 1 by x square is there. Na? You take minus 2 to this side. X minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 equal to x square plus 1 by x square. Right? So here this is x minus 1 by x into this x square plus 1 by x square is there. Na? This x square plus 1 by x square can be written like this. This x square plus 1 by x square can be written as x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2. This x square plus 1 by x square can be written like this. Here plus 1 is there, right? That plus 1. Okay. So here it is nothing but now x minus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x whole square plus 3. Okay. What is this? X cube minus 1 by x cube. You look at this here. You look at this x cube minus 1 by x cube can be written as, this can be written as x minus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x whole square plus 3, right? What is this? This is f of x minus 1 by x. Now I got this completely in terms of x minus 1 by x. Okay. Now what I'll write? I'll write f of x from this. F of x. F of x. What is f of x? You see, in wherever this x minus 1 by x is there, here x is there, right? So here what this will become? This will become x into x square plus 3. Okay. So f of x is x into x square plus 3. What they are asking in the question? In the question they are asking f dash of x. I'll write here only. F dash of x. F dash of x is multiply this. What you will get? What you will get? X cube plus 3x you will get, right? Differentiate derivative of x cube. Derivative of x cube is 3x square plus derivative of 3x. Derivative of 3x is 3. So what is f dash of x? F dash of x is 3x square plus 3. Look at this. F dash of x is 3x square plus 3. So second option is the correct option. I hope you understand whatever the problems we did today. See, differentiation is all about formulas, learning derivative formulas, learning trigonometry formulas, and practice. Practice makes things perfect in this chapter. So you must be good in trigonometry formulas, you must be good in derivative formulas, you must be good in NCERT textbook differentiation chapter. Then only when you try to do these objective questions, you feel bit easier, right? In next class, implicit function related problems we'll do. For to find the derivative of implicit function, one shortcut is there that we'll discuss in the next class. And total 4 classes are given for continuity and differentiability. This is the third class. In next class, we'll finish this chapter. I hope you understand this. Thank you.